everybody, Zach Warren here, Phillips RV, Bradley, Illinois. This is our second video on the 2017 used Keystone Passport 171 EXP. We can see right here, here's our one expandable bed in the rear. So this does come out, creates a nice canvas bed just like a pop-up would. We have our storage right down below. We have more storage here right by the cabinet. Now for this size camper being a 17-footer, it does have a lot of counter space in here. Our bathroom is decent size too. They're going to give us the radial shower and the toilet. A lot of campers this size will not give you the sink in the bathroom, but this one does. It gives you the sink right there, and then right up above that is going to be giving you the medicine cabinet and then more storage below the sink. That shower surround is beautiful. It's got that tile look with those built-in shelves. Now back to the kitchen here, we are going to have a microwave, hood, light, fan combo, 3-burner gas stove, and an oven. So we are getting the oven and the microwave in this one. We have our high-rise faucet here. We have the double sink right here. Please don't mind the pink fluid in there. That's antifreeze. In Illinois weather, it gets real cold. We don't want this thing freezing up. Everything in here is LED lights. Lots of storage again. Nice big fridge in this one. You know, we can keep our chops, steaks, sausages, hamburgers up top. Keep our water, soda. I'd put lots of pudding in here. I'm a snack pack guy, so that'd be filled with pudding for me. Again, nice big size. We have a 13,500 BTU AC right up here. It's a direct AC, comes right down. We get the nice TV right here for entertainment, as well as the radio. Now these speakers, it will work for inside, outside, or both, so it does everything. We have the nice glass cabinet here. We have more storage right here behind the TV. This will turn into a bed, as well as the couch here. So really looking at it, we have sleeping for 2, 4, 6, 8. So we can sleep 8 in here in the 17-foot camper. If you are all adults, I would say 2, 5, 6. You really can't fit 2 adults on these, but kids you can. Guys, again, this is a great unit for a great price. 2017 used Keystone Passport 171 EXP. If you'd like more information or you'd like to come take a look at it, give me a call. Zach Warren, Phillips RV, Bradley, Illinois, 815-933-2251, extension 735. Get you directly to me. Love to have you come in, and we'll put a smile on your face, make you a great deal, send you home with a great camper. And guys, until next time, we'll be seeing you.